Very common question from a new client is what does the client need to do in order to make the case a success? And I always answer that sarcastically at the beginning. You know what? You've already done the hard part. You got nailed in the accident. And truly, that a lot of times is about all the client needs to do, other than if we get a lawsuit on file. If a lawsuit is on file, then we are going to need some help. The first thing is there's going to be written discovery. Those are interrogatories and requests for production of documents. The people in my office are very good with that. They'll call you, they'll schedule an appointment, either by phone or in person, and we'll get all that knocked out. It's very important that all of that's done correctly, because that is something that can play in on the case later on. Other than working with us to go through written discovery, there's a chance that there will be depositions. A lot of times depositions are the most important part of the case. And so if it comes to be that our client needs to be deposed, we'll call you, we will get a time and a date that works for you, and you will need to come into the office, and there'll be a court reporter there, and you'll need to give your side of the story, and the court reporter will be typing down what you say. And it's very important that that goes off well. Other than that, there's just a few other things that the client will need to be involved with. Sometimes cases are mediated. That's where you have a neutral, either maybe a retired judge or an older lawyer. Typically, they try to go in between the two parties and get the case settled short of trial. Obviously, we would need our client to be present for that. And then finally, some of these cases that do go to a trial, and obviously if your case goes to trial, we'll need you to be there for that. So that's really about it, those things, and be able to answer the phone, because we do need to get a hold of you. We're going to have questions. We're going to need to keep you updated.